There are so many watch faces you can put on your Garmin watch, like this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set them up on your watch and then go in and change the settings on the watch face themselves. Hey guys, I'm Shanebow, and if you are new here, then press subscribe. You're going to get some great videos in the future. So let's just get straight into it. There are two main different watch faces you're going to get. You're going to get your fun ones, and then you're going to get your watch faces, which give you loads of information as well. So let's just look at some examples of some of the fun watch faces. So this is just an example of a colourful one just here with some real basic information on it and your step count. Then you've got this pretty cool donut one just here as well. Nothing else but the time and some donuts. You've got your flying neon cat just here as well. Duck Hunt, if you're an old Nintendo fan from the 80s. A Zelda one, which is another computer game one. And then you've just got a very basic one just here with just your basic clock face. So let's take a look at some of the more serious ones with some of the really great information on them. So you've got this one here, which is my personal favourite at the moment. And this did win a Garmin award quite recently as well. Loads of information on there. I'm not going to go through the information on these screens. I'm literally just going to show you. How did that get on there again? This was one of my old favourites just here as well. It's quite a simple screen just here. Lots of information on there. Loads of information on this one, and it's quite stylish as well. And you can see that obviously you've got the weather in the top corner there as well. This one kind of blows my mind. Loads of information on here. So let me show you how to load the watch faces on your phone and also do that custom one where you can put your own picture on there as well. So if you open up the Garmin Connect app on your phone and then swipe over from the left, at the bottom you've got Connect IQ Store. Click that. It'll then open up the Connect IQ Store. If you haven't already installed this, it's going to prompt you to say, do you want to install it? So obviously press yes. Go to the top right where you've got the three lines for the menu. Then you've got watch faces. Just click on that, and then you've got your whole list of all your watch faces. You can either look at popular, recent, or by the rating. So say for instance, I wanted to install the ActiveFace one. I could just click on download, and then next time my phone's synced with my watch, it would be on there and it would be ready to go. If you press the burger menu at the top where the three lines are, you've then got Face It. Click on Face It just there. And then basically, if you want to put a picture of your cat or whatever you want on your watch, just click on that plus at the bottom. That'll then take you into your phone's gallery. Select the picture and then click on Send to Device. Again, next time your phone syncs with your watch, it's there ready to go. So here's a real quick overview on how to change the settings on the watch face that you've just installed, because you can change it even further. Swipe over from the left. Click at the bottom where it says Garmin Devices, click on the watch that you're currently using, then click on Appearance, then Watch Faces, and then what it will then do is it'll actually load up all the details for your watch faces. So if, say for instance, I want to change Data Lover, I just click on Data Lover, click on Settings, and then I can then go in and play with all of the different settings there are on this watch face. So changing your watch face is almost like changing your watch, because you're getting all this extra information and a completely new style on there as well. I have got some more videos coming up in just a second for you to watch. I hope you've really enjoyed the video. If you've got any questions, ask them me down below. I will respond. I respond to every single comment that I've had on all of my videos. Please press subscribe. I want you to come back, and that really helps me out as well. Thanks again, guys.